My first question to you is going to be, what kind of a world, sir, are we stepping in 2030 when we look at the AI scenario?
2030. So not right away, give it a couple years. It looks like we're going to get to human level AI. Frequently, we call it artificial general intelligence, AGI. And at that point, everything changes. The economy changes. We have free labor, physical and cognitive. We're likely to have artificial scientists and engineers working on a next level AI, meaning superintelligence. And at that point, it goes unpredictable. It is smarter than any of us and capable of doing things which to us will look like magic. So it's definitely going to be an interesting decade.
Can you tell me about some of these predictions? How do you see the AI shaping up in the near future, whether it is next year, 27, 28, all the way up until 30?
Yeah, so more and more we have people saying that we'll get to AGI in the next year or two, which means a lot of common cognitive tasks you do on a computer get automated. Programming computers gets automated. Teaching, taxes, accounting, anything you usually would hire someone to do remote work for you gets automated. We need to find solutions for the economic issues associated with loss of employment for so many people. And robotics are not far behind. Maybe in another 5 years, we'll have humanoid robots capable of automating physical labor. So again, I anticipate very high levels of unemployment. It doesn't mean 100%. There are always jobs people want others to do who are human for them, for whatever reason. But it's a very small subset of a market.
Mm-hmm. Speaking of jobs, which jobs do you think will exist and which jobs do you think are going to become obsolete or even extinct?
Pretty much anything you do just to get money. You hate the job, it's dirty, it's not fun, but you have no choice. Hopefully will be gone. Jobs where you're having a lot of fun, maybe interviewing interesting people. It's a hobby. It gets separated from making income, and those jobs would likely remain.
Mm-hmm. There was a report by the World Economic Forum which said that by 2027, about 44% of the tasks would be automated and may not exist. And by 2050, there were several jobs, especially the white-collar jobs, which may actually become defunct, which may not be existing any longer. Do you agree with that? All the white-collar jobs going away by 2050?
I think much sooner. Once you can get free labor, I mean, nobody would pay a human to do the work you can get for free out of software, right? Quite a few jobs already. We used to have people selling airline tickets, agents for that. They are gone. We used to have people who did online translation. Now it's all Google Translate. So I think quite a few jobs have already disappeared. In computer science, we see junior programmers having a hard time finding jobs. I think our students who are looking for co-op placement are down maybe 28% in terms of finding jobs. So yeah, I definitely think it's going to happen much, much sooner.
So what about the medical doctors? Are they going to be out of jobs? Are the techies going to be out of jobs?
Some jobs require a human touch, and people prefer that. So maybe a nurse is always preferred to be a human, not a robot, not anything in between hybrid system. Doctors have a lot of protection through regulation, licensing. You cannot just come to US and be a doctor, even if you doctor in your country as a human. So AI, even if it's a capable system, it cannot just start practicing medicine. It can help doctors, but for many years will have protections built in. In terms of capability, right now, I take my advice from AI. If I don't have to see a doctor, I'll just consult, I submit my test results, I'll get excellent review. Elon Musk is saying that in 3 to 5 years, robotic doctors will be as good as human surgeons in performing surgeries. They're already using them for Neuralink brain implants. So that's as hard as it gets. The precision is such that no human can sustain high quality placement, but robots can. So it seems like overall it will happen, but it may take a lot longer compared to something like accounting or web design.
Okay. Coding again becomes automated, I assume, and that will be defunct.
I think already today AI is a better programmer than most of my students will ever be. And by the time they graduate in 4 years, I don't think there is many opportunities in that space for them.
What about professions like the military? Because I presume that the next threat for nations is not going to be conventional wars or maybe drone warfare, but it's going to be perhaps artificial intelligence. So can you tell me a little bit about that?
You're right. That's what we see, for example, in Ukrainian conflict. A lot of it is drones. Whoever has better control, better AI, likely to dominate, quicker response, quicker intelligence, cyber attacks, it is all shifting towards AI. And even with possibility of having AI as the controller for nuclear weapons, which is, of course, very undesirable. We don't want something like that to be outside of human control. I think robot soldiers are coming. It's definitely a lot better to send non-human combatants. You don't really care about losing them as much, and the cost of going to war becomes a lot less. So if you have an advanced technological capability, any country which does not, now you have robots fighting humans, and that's of course always a preferred option. You don't have to deal with loss of human life, at least on your side.
Right. If you enjoyed watching this content, you can watch the full in-depth video on the Body to Being podcast hosted on Shlloka YouTube channel. To continue watching shorter pieces of this content, you can subscribe to Shlloka Clips on YouTube. Don't forget to like this video and follow us on Spotify. Pranam.